Okay, for some reason or other the previous video just stopped. Okay, so we said we're looking at division on page 28. Okay, we said the syllabus only requires division by monomial, which is basically one term. In other words, it's one term. So we started off by saying 2 plus 4 plus 6 all over 2. We could have added the numerator first. 2 plus 4 is 6 and 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Or we could have gone and said divided by 2. Each one of its own is going to be 2 over 2 plus 4 over 2 plus 6 over 2. Which is going to give us 1 plus 2 plus 3. Which is also 6. So which means to say, I can do it one of two ways. I can either add first, or I could divide first. Okay? But if you look at the example at hand here, what do you notice? Could I add first? Could I have added first? No. So in this case, we're going to write each one over its own. Okay? Which is going to be 16a4 over negative 8a squared. Minus 32a cubed over negative 8a squared. Plus 8a squared over negative 8a squared. Okay. So what happens now? Positive divided by negative is negative. 8 goes into 8 once. 8 goes into 16 twice. Where's there more a's? Top. It's going to be a squared over 1, which is negative 2a squared. All okay with that? What's negative divided by negative? Positive. Positive. 8 goes into 8 once. 8 goes into 32 4 times. So it's 4. Where's there more a's? Top. So it's 4a over 1. Positive divided by negative? Negative. Negative. 8a squared cancels 8a squared. Gives you negative. Do you guys understand? Right. Let's do the next one. Example 2. Try that one. Sorry, man. Hello? Hi. Okay, sorry about that. So, each one of its own, correct? So, this will simply be 24a cubed b over negative 3a squared b minus 12a squared b squared over negative 3a squared b plus 3a squared b over negative 3a squared b. Okay. So what can happen here? What's positive divided by negative? Negative. Negative. 3 going to 3 once, 3 going to 24. 8 there. Where's there more A's? Top. And what's going to happen to the B's? Yes. What's negative divided by negative? Positive. 3 going to 3 once, 3 going to 12. 4 times. So it's 4. A squared cancels A squared. Where's there more B's? So it's going to be 4B over 1. What's positive divided by negative? Negative. 3 cancels 3. A squared cancels A squared. Where's the B's? Only at the bottom. It belongs to 1. So what do we write on top? Because as this goes once, 3A squared goes into 3A squared once. People, any confusion here? No. Yes? Negative 1B is incorrect. Why? Because B is in the denominator. Right? Yes. She just asked that. Yes. The one, because if you look at B, is it B in the numerator? No, it's in the denominator. Yes. Same question. Futures, watch out for that. Even if you write B to the minus 1, you're going to lose the mark, because why? The question will always be to write it with positive exponent. Okay, this is the last one before the bell rings. For homework, I want you guys to do exercise 9. There are 5 sums there, you do all 5. Yes? Okay, guys, finish? Okay. So let's go into that quickly. Who would like to do this one first? Okay. So it'll be 4x cubed over negative 4x squared. Minus 8x over negative 4x squared. Plus 1 over 4x squared. In the negative. So we write each one over its own. So what's the positive divided by negative? 4's cancel. And then what else cancels? Where's there more x's? Top. 3 minus 2 is 1. So that's over 1, not so. What's negative divided by positive? Negative divided by negative? Positive. 4 going to 4 once, 4 going to 8 twice. That's 2. Where's there more x's? Bottom. So 2 minus 1 is? What's positive divided by negative? Is there anything that can cancel there? No. Now you see that 4x squared is in the denominator. It remains there. Volume is? You guys understand?
Yes, sir.
Right. For homework, don't forget. It's going to be exercise 9. Enjoy the rest of your day. Good morning, class.